In this short video, I want to quickly show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Now, this video is not only limited to Bybit users that are trying to set up Google Authenticator security for their Bybit account, but anyone who wants to know how the Google Authenticator security system works and how to set it up will also find this video very helpful. But just before we kick in, I already recorded a full tutorial on how to set up your Bybit account from scratch to pro. It's a fantastic video that you will love to see after watching this one. The video is somewhere on your screen and I will also leave it in the video description below this video so that you can watch that after this video if you really want to get used to your new Bybit account. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and download the Google Authenticator app. This is what it looks like. Tap it and install and then activate it just like any other app from your Play or App Store. Now, I will not be able to screen record every page on the Google Authenticator app because no screenshot or screen recording can capture some sensitive sections of a security app like the Google Authenticator, but I will explain clearly for you to understand. So, once you install the Google Authenticator app, you want to set up your account with the right email specifically. It's a simple, straightforward process. Now, once you're done, it will bring you to this page. So what you want to do once you get to this point is for you to tap the scan a QR code here. Once you do, your phone camera will be activated and you will be able to do your scanning. So what you have to do here is to go to the website or the service that you want to link to the Google Authenticator app. In this tutorial, I'll be using Bybit, but you can also follow similar process to authenticate your own website or service that you want to use the Google Authenticator for. So I am logged in into Bybit now. I will come over here and click Account and Security. So as you can see here, my security is low because I have not set up the Google Authenticator for this account. I actually did, but I had to change my phone and so the account went back to default. So I'll just click here. And here, I will need to first of all verify this account with either my email or registered phone number. I'll use email here, so I'll just click send verification code. Now, a verification code will be sent to my email inbox immediately. So I'll come in here and input it, and as you can see, it only lasts for just 1 minute. So once I do, I will click confirm. So now we can do our Google authentication. All you need to do here is to place the scan camera from the Google Authenticator app on your phone up here and then scan. And once it's successful, your Google Authenticator app will be synced to your Bybit account or any other service that you want to link it with. So the way it works is that anytime you want to sign into Bybit or your linked service, you'll be requested to enter a code generated from the Google Authenticator app. So just tap your Google Authenticator app and you will see all the linked websites or services with each code generated under them. So I will not be able to capture that here because the app will not allow it, but it's easy and straightforward, and once you log in into your Authenticator app, you will see it staring at you. Then all you need to do is to copy out the code and input it on Bybit, and then you can now have access to your account. It's that easy, guys. So this is how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit and how the Google Authenticator app works on other websites or services just like you have seen here. So if you got value from this video, please give it a like. And if you are an unsubscribed visitor or a first-time visitor and you love to see more amazing content like this one, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I publish new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.